So next question number 11. The electric potential decreases uniformly from 120 volts to 80 volts. 120 volts to 80 volts. On moves along x-axis from x is equal to minus 1 centimeter to x is equal to plus 1 centimeter. This is nothing but x1 position. This is the x2 position. Then find out its electric field. We know that there is a relation between electric field and potential minus dV by dr, that is equal to the minus V1 minus V2 by, so write the V2 minus also V1, the change in potential V2 minus V1 by x2 minus x1. Then we can write here the minus V2 is equal to how much is there, 80 minus 120 divided by x2 is equal to plus 1 minus of minus 1. So that is equal to 40 by 2, that is equal to 20 volt per meter. This is the electric field. Next see the question number 12. A charge of 5 coulombs expressed a force of 5000 newtons. The charge is given 5 coulomb and the force expressed 5000 newtons. 5000 newtons. When it is moved in a uniform electric field, the potential difference between 2 points, the separated by the distance d is equal is given 1 centimeter. The centimeter is converted to the meter, 1 into 10 power of minus 2 meters. Then we can find out the electric field. What we can find out here, the electric field. See, we know the formula. Electric field is equal to force acting for unit charge. Force acting for the unit charge. Then we can write here the force. How much is there here? The 5000. By charge, how much is there? 5. Then the cancel, that is equal to 1000 volt per meter. Now what we can find out? We can find out the potential difference. What we can find out? The potential difference. See, we know that. Again we can write that. We know that. See, what we know that? The relation between the electric field and potential dV by dr. dr is nothing but to distance. Then the potential dV is equal to E into dr. E is equal to electric field is given by the 1000 and distance is given by the 1 into 10 power of minus 2. The minus 2 and the 2 cancel, this is 10 volts. That is the electric potential difference. Next see the question number 13. Question number 13. There is an electric field x direction if the work is done on moving charge. So work is done on moving charge. How much is given by 0.2 coulombs. Through a distance, the d is equal to is given by the 2 meters. Distance is given by the 2 meters. Along, making an angle theta is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees with x-axis is 4 joules. Now the work is given by the 4 joule. Then we can find out the electric field. So what we can find out, this is an electric field. See, this is an electric field. In electric field we consider this as an object. Now this is also considered the x-axis. Now can the force applied, this is the direction, it's making an angle theta. It's making an angle is the theta. This force can be resolved into 2 rectangular components. One is horizontal component f cos theta and vertical component take the f sin theta. Now when the force we are applied, this is the direction, the object can be moving one place to another place through along the x component. See the work done. The work done is equal to what is the force into displacement. Displacement how much is there here? The cos theta along the horizontal component. Now we can write here the work is equal. How much is given by the work is the 4 joules. Work is equal to how much is given by the 4 joules. Now this is the F into displacement. Displacement how much is there here? The 2 into cos theta. Cos of how much is there here? The 60 degrees. Since the cos 60 is equal to cos of 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to how much is there? 1 by 2. Then we can write here the 4 is equal to F into 2 into 1 by 2. Then the 2 gets cancelled. The force is equal to how much there? 4 Newton. Then what we can find out, the force acting on this object is the 4 Newtons. Then we can find out the electric field. So what is the formula for the electric field? E is equal to F by Q. Then E is equal to F is equal to how much is given by the 4, and charge. The charge how much is there? Either 0.2, that is equal to 40 by 2, that is equal to how much is it? 20 volt per meter. How much is there? 20 volt per meter, or also we can write Newton per coulomb. Question number 14. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Each side is given by the 2 meters. So this is the A, B, C. That's each side is given by the 2 meters. 2 meters. 2 meters. Okay. If E is equal to 10 Newton coulomb inverse, then VA minus VB is equal to, now it is acting along this electric field. What we can acting with along the electric field. See, this electric field is along x-axis, that is the 10 I cap. What is the along x-axis we taken a I cap, the y-axis taken a j cap, and z-axis taken a k cap. See, we know the potential difference. The potential difference is equal to VA minus VB is equal to, what is the formula? Is it E bar dot D bar. D bar is nothing but distance. But here is not given by the distance. Then we can find out the A point to distance. The center point. So this is the, we can draw here, this is the perpendicular. This is the center point. The center point means how much is this? 1 meter distance. It is also 1 meter distance. We can write here the 1 comma. Next one. Here find out this is the angle. The another one is the vertical. This angle how much is the equilateral triangle means the each angle will be there the 60 degrees. Now this angle will be the 30 degrees. Apply the cos theta. The cos theta, what is it? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side, nothing but AD by hypotenuse AB. Then AB into cos 30, how much is root 3 by 2 is equal to AD. Then 2 into root 3 by 2 is equal to AD. That is cancelled. Root 3 is equal to AD. Now how much is there? This value is the 1 comma root 3. The distance, we can know that D bar is equal to, what is there here? The I cap. What we can write here? The I cap. I cap plus root 3 into J cap. Root 3 into J cap. Then we can find the potential difference. VA minus VB is equal to E bar dot D bar. E bar is equal to how much is there? 10 I cap dot into D bar. D bar is equal to I cap plus root 3 into J cap. Root 3 into J cap. We can apply here the dot product. In dot product, what is the principle is there? I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K is equal to 1. The remaining time I dot J is equal to J dot K is equal to K dot I is equal to 0. That means here the I dot I, how much is there? 1. That means only is there the 10 volts. So this is the VA minus VB is the potential difference. The next we are discussing about the 15th one. Electric charges Q comma Q minus 2Q are placed at the corner of equilateral triangle ABC side of 1 meter. See, this is the equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle is given by the Q minus 2. This is the point A, B, C. Now each side is given by the 1 meter. Each side is given by the 1 meter. See, this is the each side is given by the 1 meter. Okay, the magnitude of electric dipole moment. What we can find out the magnitude of electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. See here, this minus 2 charge can be dividing of the 2 charges. Here the minus Q and here the minus Q. Minus Q, how much is 2 minus Q. See, this is the one of the dipole and this is the another dipole. How many is there? The 2 dipoles. Then find out is the resultant dipole moment. The resultant dipole moment, what is the formula then? Resultant electric dipole moment P dash is equal to 2p into cos theta by 2. 2p is equal to here, how much of the angle is there? 60 degrees. Then we can write the 2p into, then it's given by the magnitude, we check the 2p into cos of theta 30 by 60 by 2. The 60 by 2 is equal to 30 degrees. The 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. 2p into root 3. That how much is there here? Since cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. See, the 2 gets cancelled. The p dash is equal to root 3 into p. See, this dipole moment p is equal to q into l. That is equal to root 3 into q into l is equal to p dash.